Hi guys, it's time to clean my rifle. I've shot around 250 rounds and this is usually when I start cleaning it or right before a match. So, as I said before, I really like to keep all these processes as simple as possible and my cleaning routine isn't different from that. So I use ThorroClean ThorroFlush. It's a product comes together and it's super simple to use, doesn't smell, doesn't leave anything behind. So I'll show you my process today. First I start with making my gun ready, remove the bolt, the cheek piece, then I cover my rifle. I use a bore guide that you put straight into the action and onto the barrel so the products won't drip or cause any damage to the trigger. I put a plastic bag around the muzzle so my patches sticks into this. Then it's time for the first step, and that is to soak some patches in the ThorroFlush. And I used to put like 5 of them in a cup and then drain them with ThorroFlush. Normally I wait a minute just to see that the patches has soaked up with ThorroFlush. Next step is to use 3 or 4 patches with ThorroFlush in the barrel. Then it's time to change to a bronze brush, and I use these normally like 2-3 times, then I think they have done their thing. For the price that one of these costs comparing to going to a match or just having a bad training day, it isn't worth it, so I only use them 2 or 3 times. Next step is to put some ThorroClean on the bronze brush, and don't be afraid to put on a little extra on this one. Don't forget to shake this bottle of ThorroClean because all the good stuff is in the bottom. So normally I do around 10 or 15 strokes to the barrel, and it all depends on how dirty the barrel is. You can really feel in the end how easy it is compared to in the beginning. So I'm running more on feeling than an actual number. Next step is to change back so we can put some patches through the barrel. Now I use my last patch with ThorroFlush. After this I run around 10 patches just to wipe it all out and see that the patches that are coming out are clean. So the last step I do is to clean the chamber and the bolt. I got this kit from Tipton, I think it is to clean the action and the chamber and my bolt head. So it's not more complicated than just running this through the action and see that there isn't any dirt or anything in the chamber bag. You can use this. I do a quick visual just to see that there isn't any threads or anything from the patches left in the barrel. Then I take my toothbrush looking tool to just remove if there are any rests in the bolt head. I rarely open this, but I did it a couple of weeks ago, and that was the first time in like 4,000 or 5,000 rounds on it, and it was impressively clean. So I just opened it up, clean it out a little bit, and put some more or new oil on the springs. And the final step is to put some fat on my bolt. So I put around like a rice corn here just so it doesn't run dry, and something that is thick so it stays longer. Just rub it in and it should run really easy. So this was my gun cleaning routine, and I normally do it after 200-250 rounds or right before a competition, and now it's time to hit the range.